Today I'm going to show you guys how you can add a search bar or a search button in your Odoo website. First thing you want to do is head over to the Odoo editing panel, and the top right you see something called edit. You want to click on edit. Now if I scroll down, you can see there's something called search. So if I just drag it over here and put it wherever I want to, you can see there's an automatic search button. And so search within, you can easily choose if you want the products to be searched and then order by, if it's name, feature, or like low to high, high to low, things like that. So within suggestions, how many results do you want to be put in? Is it 10, 15, whatever the amount may be? Description, all these things. What do you want to pop up when they search for something? And then click on save. And as you can see, if I like search for chair, it says no results found because there's nothing like chairs, but this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.